graphing linear equations using slope and 1 point. After going through this lesson, you are expected to graph a linear equation using slope and 1 point. The fourth method in graphing linear equation is by using the slope and 1 point. Let's have an example. Graph the equation y is equal to 2x plus 1. So this can be done by plotting first the point, then finding the other point using the slope. So to do that, we're now going first to assign a value for x to get a point. So for example, let's assign x is equal to 1. So let's solve. So y is equal to 2x plus 1. So we have y is equals to 2 times 1 plus 1. We have y is equals to 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1. And that is 2 plus 1 is equal y equal to 3. So if x is equal to 1, we have 1, 3 as the ordered pair. Now, let's identify in this equation the slope. The slope here is equal to 2, which means we have 2 over 1, 2 as our rise, and then 1 as our run. Now, we have a point and a slope. We can now plot it on the Cartesian plane. So, let's first plot the point 1, 3 that can be found or which is in quadrant 1. So, from 0, move unit 1 to the right and then 3 units up. So, 1 unit to the right, 1, 2, 3, 3 units up. And this is 1, 3. Now, from here, we're going to move 2 units up because we have a rise of 2. So, 1 and 2. Then, we're going to move 1 unit to the run, 1 unit to the left because our run is equal to 1 and that is positive. So, from here, 1, 2, then 1 to the right. And that is our second point, which is 2, 5. Then, let's connect. And there we have it. We have now the graph of y is equal to 2x plus 1. Another example, graph y equals x minus 2. So again, let's first assign a value of x so that we can get the first point. So let's say x is equal to 0. So we have y is equal to x minus 2. Substitute 0 to x. So we have 0 minus 2. Y is equal to 0 minus 2 is negative 2. So when x is equal to 0, our y is negative 2. So we have 0, negative 2 as the first point. Now, for the slope, in the equation, we have 1. Or this means we have 1 over 1. 1 rise and 1 run. Now, let's plot first 0, negative 2, which is in the y-axis. So, from 0, we're going to move 2 units below. So, 1, 2. And then from here, we're going to rise 1 and then run 1 at the right because the slope is positive. And there we have it. Those are the 2 points we're now going to connect. And this is the graph of y is equals to x minus 2. And that's how you graph using the fourth method, which is using slope and 1 point.